I'll watch a YouTube video, I'll Google it, I'll see if I can do it myself to save. That's all fine and well, and sometimes you can get away with that. But more often than not, a lot of buddies get in over their heads, and they're not a licensed mechanic. They don't have the proper tools, and we've seen, again, lots of examples where vehicles come in literally butchered because we tried to get a component off that required a special tool, and of course, Buddy didn't have it under his shade tree and did more damage than good. Now, I'm not putting everyone down that makes an attempt to save. I'm just saying the reality is I've seen a lot of people try to save and end up having to come back to me. So they've spent thousands trying to save hundreds. That's all I'm saying.